The key to pizzeria quality pies at home is using a pizza oven. While a home oven can still make a tasty pizza, they max out around 500 degrees. That's about 200 to 300 degrees less than what's needed to get perfect Neapolitan-style crispy bottoms and puffed chewy crusts. And out of all the pizza ovens we tested, the Ooni Koda 16 was the easiest to use. It also had the best heat distribution and biggest baking surface. Pizza ovens are not a must-have, but if you're serious about making pizza, you might find one worth the splurge. It's also great for baking flatbreads or roasting fish, meats, and veggies. The Koda 16 even works well in the freezing cold, so you can get your money's worth year-round. It is portable, but heavy enough that you might not want to lug it around too much. But we love that the Ooni lets you have delicious pizza at home practically any time, and more fun making it.